Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to run Java program in CMD. All right, it's pretty easy to do. Let's just go ahead and create a new program right here. Say, for example, public class answer ASAP. All right, we're going to want to make sure that the class name right here should be the same as our file name. All right, we're going to talk more about that later. Well, let's create a curly braces right here. And we're going to want to type in the main method, which is public static void main parentheses string. Don't forget about the string. Then a bracket right here and args. All right. Now we're going to want to create another curly brace. Right here. Let's just make it pretty. Now we're going to want to type in system.out.println parentheses and the quotes right here. Please subscribe. All right, don't forget about the semicolon. And once it's done, let's just go ahead and save this one. File, save as. Again, the class name right here and the file name should be the same. Answer asap.java. Again, .java. Just hit on save and wait for it. And there we have our Java file. And what we're going to do next is to run it. Go ahead and open up CMD right here. Now to make your life easier, make a new folder. Now let's rename this one to maybe a Java program. Now move the Java file right here. And what we're going to do, type in cd space, cd is a change directory, drag and drop the path, hit on enter. Now we have the path and we are currently running the Java program folder. Now the next command, javac space, again, the file name, answer asap.java. Hit enter and wait for it. Now the last step would be to just type in java.answer asap. Hit enter and please do subscribe. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.